Hello guys, today I will show you how to create forms in HTML, basic HTML that we created using the Notepad editor. Creating complex forms in HTML. Then we close the title tag, then the header section. Then we start the body. After body, we start the form tag. So here we can also include the table tag, giving its attribute as border equal to 5, cell padding equal to 10, cell spacing equal to 10. After that we use the tr command, then th. First we will take in the first name of the person, closing the th command, th tag, then td, inputting the type text, name equal to first name, that is ref name, value equal to double comma. We can assign the values afterwards, but here we doesn't need that at the starting to describe the basic structure of complex forms. After that we give the max length as 10th, size as 10, close the td tag, then the tr tag. Tr stand for table row and td stand for table data. Then again the td, then the last name, td close. Here you can also use the ts tag, which stands for the table header, or we can also set the table heading. Then td, last name is also in the form of text, so input type is equal to text, name equal to lname, which is the last name, then the value, max length, which is equal to 10, size equal to 10, or you can give a size as 30 so that the form can look better than the size with 10. After that close the td tag again, tr tag again, then start the tr tag again and again, then table heading. Afterwards email id of the person, th closed, then td start, same, input type equal to text because the email id is also in the form of text, name equal to eid. We can also use a double inverted commas, or the statement can also be run without the inverted comma, same as the value above. Max length equal to 10, and size is same as the first name and last name, that is 30. And td closed, tr close, again we start tr, then td, better we start here the ts tag, which stands for the table heading. Then the password is there of the email id, which the user has to fill it up to submit the form, td. Here the type is the password, name equal to password, where p is in the capital letter, then the value is also the password. Or we can also take the size as above stated, so that all the attributes, all the columns or the rows have same size. Then we close the td tag, then again the tr tag, again start the tr tag, then ts tag, again table heading as gender, th closed, td. Then here input type will be radio. Here radio is used, checkbox. A checkbox is used so that you can choose more than one, you can choose one from more than 3 or 2 attributes. A name is equal to gender, with G is in the capital letter. Then the value equal to male. Checked as the male. Then we also select the second one, which is the female. For the female, checkbox, name equal to gender, value equal to female. After that, here comes the female. Close the td tag, then close the tr tag. After that, we again start the tr tag, then we start the table heading and gives another attribute as education of the person, which is to be submitted in the form. Then we start the td. Here also input text. Here input text becomes the radio because a person have more than 2 degrees. Name is equal to education, where E is the capital, as you can see here. Here's the E is the capital and G is the capital in the gender. Then the value as graduate, checked, graduate. Input text, input type, it's input type. Then again input type equal to radio for the second degree or education of the person. Name is the same, that is as education. Value is equal to postgraduate, or you can also give any other name of the degree as per your convenience or satisfaction. Postgraduate. Then we close the td tag, then we close the table row where it is the tr tag. Then we also start the tr tag, then th cities, where which city or which cities from the person basically belongs from. td. Here we can use the select tab to select options of from more than one city. The basic syntax is option value equal to, you can give any example, that is Pakistan. Option value equal to IND, that is India. Option value equal to, for example, CHN, that is China. Option value equal to OUS, that is the Australia. And you can also give many more attributes and many more countries name as per your convenience or requirement. Option value equal to AFG, that is equal to Afghanistan, and many more. Just close the select tab. You can also add many more cities as per your requirement of the form. Then we can use the TD tag. After that the TR tag, and onwards the TR, starting the TR tag. Then here we directly start the input type, that is equal to submit, which is very helpful to submit the form. Value equal to submit. Again the reset. Then we used to give the value as a reset to reset the form. In parallel to the submit, here we forget to write the TD, which is a table data tag. After that we close the TD and TR onwards. Just close the table tag, then the form tag, then the body tag, and in last but not the least, HTML tag. Here to take the form in the center, we use the center tag, or also other tags we can also apply. For example, the alignment tags, align into the center, text align center, etc, etc. But center tag is more convenient than all other tags for applying the form into the center position. After form, the center tag will be closed. Then we save this file with the name forms.html. .html is an extension for the HTML files. Then we save into the desktop for our convenience. Here in the desktop you can see the document as the forms. So here is the output of the form we created in the using the notepad or using the html.html and the form and the table attributes. Here first name will be name of the person, for example Jatin Khanna. Then the email ID is jatinKhanna225@gmail.com. and the password, you can write the password. The password is not shown to anybody else because it is hidden by using the dot, or you can also use the star variable. Here you can select the gender. This is the checkbox. Here you can select the education. Here you can see that the gender have male and female both as a checkbox, so we can also modify them into the radio so that we can select only one gender. Now save this file, refresh the document. Here you can also see that we can only select one gender, either female or male. And you can see that the options are available by using the select tab as the Pakistan, India, China, as we give the values. For example, just write anything in the form. Here submit, the form will be submitted. Write also anything in the form, then reset. You can see that the form will be reset at their appropriate position. You can also give the name of the form as H1 by using the H1 heading tag as application form. Close the h1 tag. This tag is more convenient when it is to be in the center, so use this tag after the center tag. Save the file, refresh the page. Here you can see that the application form is between the center and above the form. So thank you and have a nice day. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, just subscribe it by clicking on the red button and notified. You can also ring the bell so that you can notified about my channel updates. And thank you and have a nice day. Thanks for watching my video. Be with me.